Good morning. We have come for breakfast. And थोड़ा धूप सेक लेता है 2 मिनट के लिए. बहुत ठंडी है इधर. भाई ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि माइनस में है बट नहीं ऑफ कोर्स. But it feels like it. It's so cold. I've never been in this much cold before. I'll have some coffee now. Coffee and muffins and bread. Some idli, muffins, dosa and coffee for me. Got ready. I got ready. Fit of the day. Today is the day 2 of our trip. And now we are off to Merrick. We have reached Lepcha Jagat now. हम लेपचा जगत में हैं. And हम फोटोज खींच रहे फोटोज. I love the place so much. The lake looks so pretty. The lake looks so pretty. That's the Mila. Hi. So right now I am at the Merrick Lake. I'm sitting by the lake and Papa खा रहे थे तो we were chilling for a bit with him. Now we are at the lake and it's looking so pretty. I love lakes. How the lake looks, very pretty. There's a bridge also which I don't know if you can get it through the lake, through the park itself because उधर कुछ बंद दिख रहा है but we'll figure it out. And it looks so pretty. And इधर सांप है bro. I did not know कि इधर सांप भी है but इधर है and बहुत लंबे लंबे हैं. And I'm terrified of reptiles. I hate reptiles. 11 बजे ना. Having momos. I just had momos. बहुत ज़्यादा खा लिया. पेट फूल गया मेरा खा के. अभी we'll go to the market. पता नहीं मैं क्या ही खरीदूंगी. But कुछ तो खरीदूंगी इस बार. Because कुछ नहीं खरीदा मैंने the whole trip yet. We have come to a different country to shop. We have come to the Nepal market. It looks pretty. Nepal looks pretty, man. Have to visit. Came to this departmental store in Nepal to get some snacks for my friends. Abhi, where are we going? Hotel? Huh? Abhi, we are going back home. क्या पहन रहे? अरे इधर के लोग चिलिंग. पापा चाय पीने गए हैं तो इसीलिए मैं बैठी हुई हूँ मम्मा के साथ. आई एम फीलिंग अ बिट बोर्ड though क्योंकि इधर नेट नहीं चल रहा ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज दिस इज अ डिफरेंट कंट्री. हमारा फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप हो गया. कहाँ आया नाम बता दे बिना देखे. We have come to डेकेवास. इधर वेटिंग है बहुत देर के लिए बट हम लोग फिर भी खाएंगे बिकॉज दिस इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन वी हैव गॉटन. विकुंगा जो साइड में दैट्स क्लोज्ड. तू भी मेरे से चिपकती रहती है. We'll catch you guys up when we eat. जो बहुत टाइम है अभी आई थिंक लाइन है क्योंकि लोग दूसरी बार आ रहे हैं बिकॉज वी डिड नॉट गेट कैश बट नाउ वी आर सील्ड विद आवर फूड. पहुंच गए ऑलमोस्ट पहुंच गए बट आवर होटल इज इन अ बिट मोर लाइक चढ़ने वाला लोकेशन तो और थोड़ा चलना पड़ेगा. बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इट्स लाइक अ हिल like that. We'll have to walk up because there's of course no lift, right? Reached.
The next day.
This is what I'm having for breakfast. बस 3 bread, coffee. Sure. If you
মানুহে ইয়াত ষ্টিম ম'ম' খাব আহে
মই নাখাওঁ that's my opinion
opinion
day 3 and just had my breakfast. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं. So right now we are going to Kalimpong, which is gonna be around like 2.5 hours or maybe 3. It's gonna take a while, so I might just sleep. I was sleeping and I'm still so sleepy. My parents have went for a viewpoint. इधर ही है, like ये रहा. So that's a viewpoint. I'm too tired for that. I'm not going. We have arrived at the Diolo Park, Kalimpong. We are trekking again. Everywhere in North Bengal you have to trek only, bhai. Just saw a very good view of the mountains. Loved it. Loved it. Just got done with the Kalimpong whatever. क्या park?
Kalimpong हाँ
Yes. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं. Wow, this road was so pretty. We have come to the Kalimpong monastery. This one थोड़ा ढक लिया. This is the cafeteria. ऊपर चल, जल्दी चल. This has been my view for the past 4 days and I love it. I don't want to leave the place, but we have to get back to reality. We are currently going to Pinchala. And it has been a long ride. अभी और 5-10 मिनट बाकी है. I finally reached Pinchala, but हम लोग अभी टी गार्डन जा रहे हैं. It's so cold. Oh my god, it's very cold right now. Look. So pretty though. And the flowers are looking so pretty. Currently at a cafe and we are cafe nahi, kuch eatery type of. I'm having Wi-Fi and look at my view. Oh my god. Just got done with Pinchule. हम लोगों ने Wi-Fi खाया and now we are heading to Lamahata.
I ate Mimi
Yeah, she ate Mimi. So अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं and look at the view. So pretty. So we came down the hill and then this is the location to click photos apparently. मतलब हम लोगों ने बना दिया वैसा. तो अभी हम लोग खींच रहे हैं इधर ही फोटो. इधर ही फोटो खींच रहे हैं. So pretty. We just came to Lamahata but we were late. So entry नहीं मिला. But अभी हम लोग होटल वापस जा रहे हैं. And I love pine trees, man. They're so pretty.
The next day.
Good morning. It's the 4th day and we just woke up. चाबी लिया ना? We just woke up. Now we are heading to Glenries. Actually हमारा plan था कि 4 बजे हमें टाइगर हिल जाना था, but me and my sister slept of course. तो मम्मी पापा गए and हम लोग नहीं गए, तो हम लोग Glenries जा रहे हैं. And Glenries is walking distance, so it's easy. Walking to Glenries right now. The view looks so good. We have reached Glenries. Got some cold coffee for myself. Huh? This is how the temple looks. And that is where something else is. I don't know what exactly. But it's so pretty. I'm so tired. Reached to the bigger version of the temple. Hi. Back after long because I did not record anything. But we have come to Kevin Tour. And we have ordered burgers. Kabhi we didn't have that. And then we'll see how the food is. And this is my view.
Later that same evening.
Shopping कर ली सारी. Now we are going to Kathmandu kitchen to have our dinner. It's currently 9 p.m.
Yeah,
and we have gotten few things with us. Shopping कर ली थोड़ी बहुत सबके लिए.
Muffler, like chains. What else?
And a pant for me.
Yeah. No,
Yes.
we also got like something.
Something.
Something else. Yeah, we got
थोड़े earring.
rings.
हाँ.
Earrings.
ज़्यादा shopping नहीं किया because you
Bracelet.
get everything in Kolkata.
No,
Mostly.
it's not, yeah, kind of, but still, okay, fine.
Yes. Today is the last day of our trip. कैसा लग
It's
रहा
the
है?
last. I'm very sad. Darjeeling is so pretty. It's so good. I want to
Yeah.
explore more.
पर हम बस मॉल रोड के
The
पास रहे.
best, like the highlight of the trip was the monastery.
For me it was. कल कहाँ गए थे हम लोग?
Well, we went to monastery only.
नहीं कल मुझे क्या अच्छा लगा था कुछ एक
You
चीज़-
said monastery only.
Oh right
You said
right.
monastery was the highlight of our
Sure?
trip. Yeah, I'm sure. You said that only.
Okay, so that was the highlight
Yeah,
of my
monastery
trip.
was very pretty. It was good. The monk.
कल वाला, आज वाला नहीं,
Yeah,
कल वाला.
the monks were good.
Yeah.
They
Monk.
even opened the door. Yeah, the monk. They even opened the door for us.
इंग्लिश मत बोला कर बहन को.
Jaldi se निकल गई.
But it all in all it was such a good.
Experience.
Yeah, like this trip was needed.
Yeah, true.
बहुत मजा आया. This is the
We got
most
a lot of
farthest we
teachings.
have gone.
Exactly.
क्योंकि हम बस मंदार में नहीं घूमते. बहुत दिनों बाद हम लोग ऐसे किसी.
And it's like थोड़ा culture इन लोग का बहुत pretty, right?
And it's very similar to us, so we
Yeah,
like it.
exactly.
And the way I feel
And
so
the people are
accepted.
very kind. The dogs are very cute.
The way I feel so accepted in this place because हम लोग same दिखते हैं तो.
People treat animals so nicely.
They respect, not
Yeah,
treat.
they
They
respect.
respect, which I love. And the view, bro. I'm gonna miss the view so much. Like it's so pretty.
And it's cold too. I love cold. I love winter.
But मुझे एक चीज पता है कि I won't survive in mountains because मैं इतना चल नहीं सकती हूँ.
I can.
ये मैं चलती थी, झूठ बोल रही थी.
I can. I can.
Now we are going to the restaurant. Let's see what we can have. Came for some fresh air before we leave for the polluted city again. चलो. मैंने टूर नहीं दिया था किसी को भी. Today is the final. वैसे तो जा ही रहे, final day नहीं है. We are leaving now and I'm so sad. I miss Bella though, but I'm very sad to leave this place. It is so pretty. Like not the hotel. Like the hotel is okay, but the mountains. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss it so much. Like look at how pretty. देखो भाई. Who would want to like leave this place. I want to stay here for at least a more week. We've come to Batashia Loop. We have come to Batashia Loop. अंशु क्या लिया तूने? क्या लिया दिखा?
Flower.
Made a pit stop at an unknown restaurant, ढाबा जो भी है, restaurant लिखा है, and I'm having Diet Coke and Maggi, जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा पानी दे दिया. Having some Diet Coke. We have reached halfway through the journey. अभी और 1.5 घंटा बचा है, I believe. And it's so hot here. I can just imagine how hot Kolkata is going to be, and I'm not ready for it because the weather in Darjeeling is so good. I love the weather. I wanted to stay here for more. We are currently waiting at the station. अभी और 1 घंटा है, and we ordered Domino's for us. I hope we get it on time. Anju, na খাও নি coffee?